going to be showing you guys how to create free AI videos. The website, which is dabao.com. Go ahead and refresh it, and once you refresh it, you can see right here it is now working. It's going to take you straight to the interface of the website. Now you don't even need to sign up an account to use this website. So all you need to do, once it takes you here, everything is actually written in China. I actually tried to change the language to English, but there is no option for me to do that. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you guys through everything. So once it takes you to the website, just go ahead and click on AI, click on this button here, and this prompt box is going to open up. Now if you go ahead and scroll down here, you can see you have access to Seedance 2.0. Over here, this is where you can click here to upload images. This is where you can select the aspect ratio. So you can see here, you can create horizontal videos, vertical videos, and the rest. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to select vertical videos, which is 9:16. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and paste my prompt here. So this is my prompt here, so just go ahead and give it your own prompt. Now this is something very important I want you guys to know. The video settings here, make sure you go ahead and enter the video settings. So this is what you should always write in your settings. Video mode 8 to 12 seconds. Model, we are asking the AI to use Seedance 2.0 to create our videos. The aspect ratio, just write 19:16, which is vertical. We have already selected it here at the top, but it is good to also include it in your prompt. Then the style, realistic and cinematic, motion strength, medium, camera movement, smooth. Next thing you need to do is to just go ahead and click on generate. Now sometimes there are lots of people on the site, so it is going to actually delay. You know, it is free, so there will be a lot of people on the site trying to take advantage of it. So you just have to be patient and wait for your video to complete. So that is basically how to get Seedance 2.0 for absolutely free. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out next time I upload another video just like this. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.